There's something hidden inside your body right now that controls 70 to 80% of your immune system, determines your mood and sleep quality, and even decides whether you'll gain or lose weight. And here's the surprising part. This isn't an organ or body part at all. It's millions upon millions of bacteria living in your intestines, collectively known as your gut microbiome. After 2 decades of clinical observation, one pattern has become crystal clear. People with weak gut microbiomes never achieve optimal health. Their digestion suffers, their mood fluctuates, their immunity falters, and weight management becomes an uphill battle. Today, we're diving deep into why your gut microbiome matters so much, how it controls everything from your brain to your metabolism, and most importantly, how you can strengthen it starting today. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional before making changes to your diet, lifestyle, or taking supplements. Understanding the gut microbiome, your internal garden. Think of your gut like a garden. The more diverse the flowers, plants, and trees in that garden, the more beautiful and resilient it becomes. Similarly, the greater the variety and quantity of beneficial bacteria living in your intestines, the healthier your gut microbiome. This microscopic ecosystem contains trillions of microorganisms, bacteria, fungi, viruses, and other microbes that work together to keep your body functioning optimally. But what exactly makes this bacterial community so powerful? The answer lies in understanding several critical connections between your gut and other body systems. We'll explore these connections, clear up common misconceptions, and reveal the real science behind gut health optimization. The gut-brain axis, a two-way information highway. Your brain and gut communicate through an incredibly powerful system called the gut-brain axis. Imagine 2 cities connected by a major highway. Just as vehicles constantly travel between those cities carrying goods and information, signals, hormones, and chemical messengers continuously flow between your gut and brain. The main expressway of this communication system is the vagus nerve, the longest cranial nerve in your body. This nerve functions like a telephone line, transmitting messages from your gut to your brain and back again in real time. When you experience stress or anxiety, your brain immediately sends signals to your gut, which is why you might feel butterflies in your stomach, experience digestive slowdown, or suddenly need to use the bathroom during tense situations. This connection works in reverse too. When something's off in your gut, whether it's inflammation, bacterial imbalance, or digestive distress, signals travel up to your brain, potentially triggering anxiety, irritability, and mood disturbances. You've probably experienced this yourself, that inexplicable feeling of unease when your stomach is upset, or the brain fog that accompanies digestive issues. Your gut, command center for immune defense. You've probably heard the claim that 80% of your immune system is in your gut. While the exact percentage remains difficult to quantify scientifically, research confirms that your gut plays an absolutely crucial role in immune function. Surrounding your intestines is a massive immune system component called GALT, gut-associated lymphoid tissue. Think of GALT as an army base camp where immune soldiers, your immune cells, remain on constant alert, ready to defend against invaders. Consider what happens every single day. You eat food, drink water, and consume various substances. Along with nutrients, you're also introducing thousands of bacteria, potential viruses, and toxins into your digestive system. Without a robust gut immune system, you simply couldn't survive. Your gut microbiome works in concert with GALT to distinguish between harmless substances and genuine threats, training your immune system to respond appropriately. This is why maintaining gut health is fundamental to overall immunity. A balanced, diverse gut microbiome helps prevent inappropriate immune responses like allergies and autoimmune conditions while maintaining vigilance against real pathogens. The weight management connection, separating fact from fiction. Social media is flooded with claims that fixing your gut bacteria will magically prevent weight gain. While this sounds appealing and contains a kernel of truth, the reality is more complex and deserves your full attention. The facts. Research confirms that gut bacteria play important roles in metabolism and weight management. Different bacterial species extract calories from food with varying efficiency, influence fat storage, and affect metabolic rate. The fiction. Obesity is not solely a gut bacteria problem. It's a multifactorial condition involving diet quality, lifestyle habits, hormones, genetics, stress levels, sleep patterns, and yes, gut microbiome composition. Focusing exclusively on gut bacteria while ignoring these other factors will lead to disappointment. How gut bacteria influence body weight. Let's examine the mechanisms through which gut bacteria affect weight. Calorie extraction efficiency. Certain bacteria, particularly those in the Firmicutes phylum, are exceptionally efficient at extracting calories from food. If these bacteria dominate your gut microbiome, your body will extract and store more calories from the same amount of food compared to someone with a different bacterial composition. While optimizing your gut microbiome supports weight management, you cannot ignore dietary quality, sleep hygiene, stress management, and physical activity. All these factors work together synergistically. When gut bacteria go wrong, SIBO and digestive distress. While gut bacteria are essential for health, imbalances can cause serious problems. One common condition is SIBO, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. In SIBO, bacteria that normally belong only in your large intestine migrate into and overpopulate your small intestine. Building a thriving gut microbiome, your action plan. The encouraging news about your gut microbiome is that it's remarkably dynamic. The bacterial populations in your intestines change daily based on what you eat and how you live. This means that within just a few weeks of implementing positive changes, you can experience noticeable improvements in digestion, energy levels, and even mood. Strategy 1. Feed your beneficial bacteria. Just like you, your gut bacteria need food, and their favorite food is fiber. When you consume fiber-rich foods, you're essentially feeding the beneficial bacteria that support your health. These foods act as prebiotics, nourishing your microbial allies. Essential prebiotic foods. Legumes, lentils, chickpeas, black beans, kidney beans. Whole grains, oats, quinoa, brown rice, barley. Vegetables, asparagus, onions, garlic, leeks, Jerusalem artichokes. Fruits, bananas, apples, berries, stone fruits. Daily goal. Include at least 2 to 3 different colored vegetables and 1 high-fiber grain in your daily diet. The variety matters as much as the quantity. Strategy 2. Maximize bacterial diversity. Bacterial diversity is perhaps the single most important marker of gut health. The more different species of beneficial bacteria inhabiting your gut, the stronger your immunity and the better your overall health. How to increase diversity? Aim to consume 25 to 30 different plant foods each week. This doesn't mean 25 servings, it means 25 different types. Include vegetables, fruits, legumes, nuts, seeds, herbs, and spices in various colors. Strategy 3. Incorporate fermented probiotic foods. Fermented foods introduce new beneficial bacteria directly into your gut, increasing diversity and supporting digestive health. Best probiotic foods for Americans. Yogurt with live active cultures, check labels. Kefir, a fermented milk drink. Sauerkraut, fermented cabbage. Kimchi, Korean fermented vegetables. Kombucha, a fermented tea. Miso, fermented soybean paste. Tempeh, fermented soybeans. Minimum daily recommendation. Consume at least 1 serving of fermented food daily. Even a single cup of plain yogurt or a glass of kefir provides billions of beneficial bacteria to support your gut ecosystem. Avoid microbiome disruptors. Certain dietary components actively harm your gut microbiome by feeding pathogenic bacteria and suppressing beneficial species. Primary gut disruptors to minimize: excessive refined sugar and sugary beverages, ultra-processed snack foods, artificial sweeteners, particularly saccharin and sucralose, excessive alcohol consumption, and unnecessary antibiotics, only use when medically necessary. Beyond diet, lifestyle factors that shape your microbiome. Gut health isn't determined by diet alone. your lifestyle choices profoundly impact your microbial ecosystem. Stress management. Chronic stress directly damages gut health by altering gut permeability, reducing beneficial bacteria, and disrupting the gut-brain axis. Practice daily stress reduction through meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, or nature walks. Sleep quality. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep nightly. Your gut bacteria follow circadian rhythms, and sleep deprivation disrupts these patterns, leading to dysbiosis. Regular physical activity. Exercise increases gut bacterial diversity. Aim for at least 30 minutes of brisk walking or other moderate activity daily. Studies show that regular exercisers have significantly more diverse gut microbiomes than sedentary individuals. The foundation of true health. Your gut microbiome functions as an invisible organ, touching every system in your body, from digestion and immunity to metabolism and brain health. If you want this hidden organ to perform optimally, nourish it through simple daily choices. Your next steps. Start with 1 or 2 changes this week. Perhaps add a serving of yogurt to your breakfast routine and commit to eating 1 new colorful vegetable. Next week, add another change. Small, consistent improvements compound over time into transformative health benefits. Your gut microbiome has been quietly influencing your health for your entire life. Now it's time to consciously optimize this powerful system and unlock better digestion, stronger immunity, more stable moods, and improved overall wellness. The power to transform your health lives inside you, quite literally.